I'm Soham Sakseria and this is my colleague Ligit Desai, and we have made this project called Socket.io. So what our project basically is, it avoids wastage of electricity. We also focus on robbery and overheating of electrical appliances. So to avoid that, we have basically made a smart home. So in this smart home, you can remotely control your lights, your television, your socket.
So we can control our system from anywhere in the world. So we have also included a temperature sensor which says the temperature written over here. We have also included a lock whenever you go out, so you can know that so you can lock the system.
Okay, so we have a fairly simple app, and it's user friendly and very smart. So you can basically control all your appliances, lock and unlock your doors from anywhere in the world. Also, you can know your room temperature. If it goes way too high, you might know that there are some overheating of appliances. So you can turn off your appliances. Also, we have a feature for timers. So suppose you keep your phone to charge. Keep your phone to charge overnight. So for that, we can set a timer from 12 AM to 2 AM. It would charge, and after that, it would stop charging. It would do that automatically. Next, another feature is it is voice activated. So you can turn on your lights from the phone itself. So turn on bedroom light. So it automatically turns on once I say a command. This is easily implementable, and it's also safe, and we have perfectly used internet. It's safer than a normal socket, and it's way more energy efficient than our normal sockets. This is a market comparison of other products which are similar to our product.
So in other companies, the set of 4 bulb is sold around 7,000 rupees, but our whole project cost is 1,500 rupees.
This is our pricing of our product. So more the number of sockets you require, more the price. These are some future advancements we'll add to our product. One is we can create a new app. We can do partnership with ISO certified companies to easily sell our products. Next is we can have a smart extension which can dim the lights, and also we can keep adding more features to our apps via software updates, and we can also ISO certify our own company. Thank you.